Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie, and today I'm coming to you with the Fall Lantern Collab hosted by my dream team sister and friend, the amazing, the fabulous Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. If you want to see what I've put together, just keep on watching. First, let's go ahead and take a look at how I've assembled all the items for this vignette, after which we will go over them in detail. For this collab, I chose to decorate my entryway table, and you can see here that I'm using a very big silver tray, and I'll tell you all the contents that's in it and where I purchased them. First thing we'll talk about here is this gorgeous lantern that I have. I picked it up maybe 2 years ago from HomeSense. What I did was I went ahead and decorated the top of it with these beautiful fall picks that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. You would have seen them on my tablescape with the bright pink pumpkin. These are the same picks that I'm using here to decorate the top of the lantern. Moving down inside the lantern, I have done, let me try it from the side because the candle is showing up too much here. I have this beautiful owl, and it's elevated by, I'm just using a coaster holder to give it a little bit of height inside of the lantern. Then moving over to the side, guys, I have these beautiful mirrored candlesticks that you would have seen in one of my more recent videos, where I did the entryway table decorating. And then I have this beautiful pumpkin here that I picked up at HomeSense as well. So basically, almost everything in this tray came from HomeSense. The candlesticks came from HomeSense also. I said the lantern did, as well as this gorgeous pumpkin. And this pumpkin is elevated with a little cake stand. Then on this side, you will see that I have a candle going here, and this is my Thompson FERRIER New York candle. It is absolutely amazing. The details are phenomenal, and it smells oh so good. What I will do, guys, is I will leave a link in the description box below for you to go ahead and check out these Thompson FERRIER candles. They are super amazing, and you will absolutely love them. So be sure to check out the description box and get the link to their website. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I'd also like to thank Kenya for hosting this amazing collab. I will leave a link below so you can check out all the other amazing creators participating in this amazing collaboration. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you stopping by and clicking on this video. And while you're here, I'd like to invite you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie saying bye-bye.